Hi, I'm Anant Vijay, and this is Quriosity, our latest product in the series of interactive displays from Cybernetics. Cybernetics is a German company with more than 10 years of presence in India. Today, we have more than 1.5 lakh classrooms successfully powered by our technology, making us the leaders in this industry. Based on our rich experience in the Indian education system, we designed Quriosity with features specifically built for the Indian classrooms. Quriosity is the world's first and the only interactive display that comes with built-in perceptual AI sensors for classroom behavior management system and learning management system. With this 450 nits of brightness and an ultra-wide viewing angle, any student now sitting at the far end of the classroom or to the extreme right or to the left can have the exact visual clarity with reduced eye strain and an improved attention. Many a times we are worried about putting a display in front of the classroom. Keeping this in mind, we designed Quriosity with a toughened glass of level 7 hardness with anti-glare coating and an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, which makes the device virtually indestructible in the classroom, giving you a complete peace of mind. Quriosity comes with a built-in embedded computer powered by 64-bit ARM processor. This is also an energy-efficient design, which only consumes 0.5 watt of power in the standby mode. This helps us on saving on the energy bills as well as makes this a green product. The main distinguishing feature that makes Quriosity stand against other interactive panels in the industry is this Class EQ camera. It has an ultra-wide lens that can cover students sitting in any part of the classroom. This Class EQ camera actually captures the emotions and the attentiveness of the students and generates a classroom behavior analytics report. Now, this report can be used by the teachers and the admins to retrospect and find out what kind of content actually helps the student with their engagement levels in the classroom. The Class EQ camera also has a beamforming mic array with 4 MEMS microphone and a 16-core digital signal processor that uses AI to perform voice activity detection and direction of arrival. What this means is when someone is speaking in the classroom, the mic can actually focus on the speaker and suppress the surrounding noise. These microphones can also be used to detect unusual noise levels in the classroom. Any multimedia content can now be heard loud and clear by the entire classroom, thanks to the dual 15-watt speakers that comes built in with Quriosity. The dual-band Wi-Fi enables you to connect to a 2.4 GHz network or to a faster 5 GHz network for optimized speed in the classroom. So when a school or an institute decides to upgrade their normal classroom into a smart classroom, they spend a lot of money in buying and maintaining a projector, a screen, a computer, a speaker, a camera, etc. But what you have here is Quriosity, which is an all-in-one integrated solution for your smart classroom. For an IT team, it is much better to install a single device compared to installing multiple devices in the classroom. And for the teacher, it's just a click of the button to start teaching. Let's look at the software capabilities of Quriosity and see why do we call it a complete smart classroom solution. The interactive teaching software that comes with Quriosity is called NeuraTeach. It is available on both Android as well as Windows platform with the same set of tools and same look and feel, ensuring there's a zero learning curve for teachers across platforms. Based on the research conducted by researchgate.net, this is a typical day in teacher's life. Around 40 to 45% of the teacher's time is spent in instruction, whereas the rest 60% of the time is spent in other activities like preparing the lessons, creating assessments, grading them, etc. Most of the so-called smart classroom solutions focus on this 40 to 45% of the activities of teacher, which is teaching. Whereas Quriosity is the only solution that assists teacher in performing all the day-to-day activities effectively with less time and effort. Quriosity comes with the ultra lightweight technology, which gives you a very high precision of 1 mm and a tracking speed of 4 milliseconds, making you feel as if you're writing on a marker board. Using the pen tool, the teacher can customize the color and thickness of the pen. And since many times the teacher wants to teach using multiple colors to capture the student's attention, we have actually provided dual pens in the toolbar so that the teacher can quickly switch between them, thus saving her time. Also, if you want to highlight any key text or a search term or even a paragraph during the class, you can just flip the stylus and highlight the intended text. Using the built-in handwriting recognition tool, a teacher can actually convert their handwritten ink to digital text. This is very helpful, especially when you want to make your notes readily available to a larger audience. Teachers spend a substantial amount of their time in creating lesson plans. In order to assist them in creating a feature-rich lesson plan and to make this process faster and easier, we have built tools like SAR and MyCloud. Now, during the class, students may have doubts or questions regarding a particular topic, and the teacher may not have the digital content readily available. And we also know that teachers and educators are skeptical to search using standard web browsers during the classroom, as the results might actually distract the class. That is why we built this unique feature called MyCloud that searches your keyword across multiple search engines. The results are then filtered and curated based on educational content and shown inside the Neurateach software, completely avoiding the need to open the browser for searching. Now let's see what is SAR. SAR stands for Knowledge Search and Ranking. It is an AI curated content for major K-12 curriculums, and many more such curriculums are constantly being added. This content is in the form of images, videos, text, and formative questions. The content is organized as per curriculum, standards, and subjects, making it easier for the teacher to create lesson plans in advance. And all of this content is freely available with Quriosity. Not only writing and teaching, Quriosity is equally good in solving complex mathematical equations like square roots, cube roots, and even logarithmic and trigonometric values. Using the digital versions of the commonly used geometrical tools like protractor, ruler, compass, the teacher can easily demonstrate the usage of these tools to the entire class. If you're a teacher who is used to teaching with a green board or a black board, you need not worry. With a click of a button, you can set the background to black, you can set it to green, you can even choose the color you want to use and start teaching. Not only this, you can also set it to other backgrounds like grids, lines, or even set a background image to this. And this is how background tools help you with your teaching. Sometimes you might have your own documents, presentations, or PDFs for teaching. You can import those easily using the import option here. Select the document you want to open, and the document is now on the whiteboard. Just double click this and you can start teaching. Similarly, you can add multimedia content like images and videos using the import option here. Once you added your content, you can start teaching. You can start annotating on the images. Now what you notice here is that as I move these images, the entire content moves together. So basically, the system has intelligently auto-grouped all your content together so that when you're moving or you're zooming, you don't lose the content or the content doesn't move in a different directions.